anybody could install that system.
Yeah.
That's how to. It's mechanically inclined.
And the cool part is, like, when you think about Harleys too, like Harleys, it's a much more simplified category, and I think that's like kind of piggybacks off of what you said, right? So if you're looking at it in a retail aspect, it's easier because, you know, your installer really just has to know how to remove 12 screws from a fairing and speaker pods. And once they do that one time, it's the same time every other job, right? It's a repeatable process. So even installers that are, you know, fresh, right, a little wet behind the ears, they can get into this, get their hands on it, and it's a comfortable system.
That a pass.
What about Rudy?
I have faith. I think he could.
Shut up, guys. Joel's really technical.
That's true.
I feel like you don't even know him.
Yeah. Oh no, wait, that's right. You do brakes. I forgot. You do
Brakes. That's true.
Damn, Bobby.
Bobby's the only one here with a degree in technology, I guess.
Nope, not me.